and it's still not showing up. But here's what I want you to understand, Angel. There is something deeper going on, but it's okay. You are not blocked. What you are is being refined. And today, I want to show you the hidden spiritual law behind the delay. Here's what I want you to understand, love. Your desire isn't on hold because you are doing anything wrong. It's just waiting for you to become the person who matches it. And I know this is a clumsy process, believe me. And that's why I talk about being patient and kind to yourself so much, because you are overcoming years of patterns and belief systems that don't serve you, or certainly who you're becoming or your manifestations. It's energy first and then results. So that's why I talk so often about practice and repetition and consistency. So Neville Goddard, he calls this embodiment of the wish fulfilled. And what I call it is energetic congruence. So until your inner world matches your outer desire, the universe can't hand it over. And this is why I talk about doing things outside of your comfort zone, because you can't keep doing the same things and expecting a different result. But a cheat code here is to make it playful and something that you love, something that you know that you're gonna be into, because that way you will actually take this action on yourself. Or why I talk about doing things like scripting, and writing a letter to yourself as your future self and the person who already has this desire, and make it a gratitude letter, but also one that is normalized and not putting your desire on a pedestal, right? Or also why I talk about doing things like somatic exercises and meditation and going out into nature and just being silent and present and aware, so that you can reset your nervous system. Because like Neville says, feeling is the secret, and that is your frequency and what you manifest from. I want you to think of your desire like a frequency. You can't tune into 105.5 if you are vibrating on 92.1. You can visualize the house, right? But if you still believe it's too good for you, your energy isn't ready to hold it. So it's not delay, it's the universe saying, you're not being ignored, you're being prepared. And the message here is to stop efforting and start aligning. So, y'all know how I feel about the power of asking the right questions and letting the universe bring the answers to you. And so, some really great questions here would be, who am I being? Does my self-concept match the version of me that already has this? And what am I broadcasting energetically? Is it trying or trusting? And if you're not sure how to create this shift, then I did create some free manifestation alignment journal prompts, and that'll just help you walk through the realignment. And I'm going to post those journal prompts in the comment section for you. So I do want to take a quick minute to explain the integration gap, because I think that if we understood more of what was going on in this in-between phase, we wouldn't freak out so much. I mean, it's understandable because it does feel difficult, but it's very possible to shift your perspective right here. So sometimes the desire is ready, but our nervous system isn't. So the integration gap is it's the time between the desire and our capacity to hold it. And this is where we spiral, right? But this is actually where you get powerful. Again, if we can shift our perspective right here. So this is actually the time that you use to embody, to regulate, and to decide that it's already yours. So if you have felt stuck or confused or even abandoned by the universe, and I say that because I have felt that way more times than I care to admit, then I just want you to know that you're not alone. And this is your reminder that your desire isn't being withheld. In fact, you are just being invited to catch up to it. So if this video gave you some peace, then I would be so grateful if you would hit the like button for me and comment I align if you are ready to become the version who receives. And check out the journal prompts if you feel called, and let me know if you liked them, what you didn't like, what worked for you, what didn't. And just know that I'm so proud of you. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. I love you. I'm always rooting for you no matter what. I'm always pulling for you no matter what. And as always, I can't wait to see what you do, and I will see you in the next one.